Hey watchmaker, you're making some noise, no doubt. Hey watchmaker, bring it on back into the northeast corner, 122, state of Maine. We're listening. Absolutely sounding good. Hey watchmaker, you're absolutely sounding good up here, no doubt. I don't know if we're making it back. But hey watchmaker, trying to put that 4-1 wave your way, no doubt. 122, northeast corner.
I got it all that time, Mr. 122. I got it all because you said it all, no doubt. You're making the trip perfectly clean that time. Nobody stepped on you that time. You got me coming in there about 1 or 2 dBs, that's it. But I got it all. 122. Your watchmaker's waving on his fine Sunday morning, buddy. I'm excited. I got some summer to party too.
And I got it all, watchmaker, because you said it all, no doubt. Definitely good hearing you to receive up here, no doubt. Hey, watchmaker, we'll do it again. Hopefully, old Mother Nature lines us up a little bit better. But until then, waving a hand. Good numbers, watchmaker. 122, northeast corner, back out.
That's cool. He squeezed right in there, he said.